Discover the best bone marrow transplant treatment in India, from procedures to types, costs, top hospitals, success rates, and inspiring success stories. Uncover all you need to know about this life-saving procedure in the healthcare sector. Welcome to a journey of hope and healing as we delve into the realm of bone marrow transplant treatment in India. In the realm of healthcare, bone marrow transplants stand as a beacon of hope for those battling life-threatening blood disorders and cancers. India has emerged as a prominent destination for bone marrow transplant procedures, offering world-class treatment options, state-of-the-art facilities, and a high success rate. Understanding bone marrow transplantation. What is bone marrow transplantation? Bone marrow transplantation, also known as hematopoietic stem cell transplantation, is a medical procedure that involves replacing damaged or destroyed bone marrow with healthy stem cells. This procedure is commonly used to treat conditions such as leukemia, lymphoma, myeloma, and certain genetic disorders. Types of bone marrow transplants. 1. Autologous transplant. In this type of transplant, the patient's own stem cells are collected before undergoing high-dose chemotherapy or radiation therapy. The collected stem cells are then reinfused back into the patient to help restore the bone marrow. 2. Allogenic transplant. In an allogenic transplant, stem cells are obtained from a donor who can be a family member, unrelated donor, or umbilical cord blood. This type of transplant carries a higher risk of complications but can offer a better chance of a cure for certain conditions. Bone marrow transplant procedures. 1. Pre-transplant evaluation. Before undergoing a bone marrow transplant, patients undergo a thorough evaluation to assess their overall health and suitability for the procedure. 2. Conditioning regimen. Patients receive high-dose chemotherapy and/or radiation therapy to destroy the abnormal cells in their bone marrow. 3. Transplantation. The healthy stem cells are infused into the patient's bloodstream, where they travel to the bone marrow and begin to grow and produce new blood cells. 4. Recovery and follow-up. Patients are closely monitored post-transplant to manage any complications and ensure the success of the procedure. Best hospitals for bone marrow transplant in India. 1. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon. With a high success rate in bone marrow transplants, Medanta boasts of cutting-edge technology and personalized care for patients. 2. Marengo Sims Hospital, Ahmedabad. Renowned for its expertise in bone marrow transplant procedures, Marengo Sims Hospital offers state-of-the-art facilities and a multidisciplinary team of specialists. 3. Artemis Hospitals, Gurgaon, a leading cancer treatment center in India. Artemis Hospitals is known for its comprehensive approach to bone marrow transplantation. Cost of bone marrow transplant in India. The cost of a bone marrow transplant in India can vary depending on the type of transplant, hospital chosen, and additional medical expenses. On average, the cost of a bone marrow transplant in India ranges from $18,000 to $35,000. However, this cost is significantly lower compared to Western countries, making India an attractive destination for medical tourism. Success rate and success stories. India has witnessed a steady increase in the success rate of bone marrow transplants over the years, with advancements in technology and medical expertise contributing to improved outcomes. The success rate of bone marrow transplants in India ranges from 70% to 90%, depending on the type of transplant and the underlying condition being treated. Success stories. 1. Riya's journey to recovery. Riya, a 12-year-old leukemia patient, underwent a successful bone marrow transplant at Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon. Today, she is thriving and living her life to the fullest, thanks to the life-saving procedure. 2. Amit's triumph over myeloma. Amit, a 45-year-old myeloma patient, underwent an allogeneic bone marrow transplant at Marengo Sims Hospital, Ahmedabad. Despite facing challenges during his recovery, Amit emerged victorious and is now cancer-free. As we conclude our exploration of bone marrow transplant treatment in India, it is evident that this medical procedure holds immense promise for patients battling life-threatening conditions. With top-notch hospitals, skilled healthcare professionals, and a growing success rate, India has cemented its position as a leading destination for bone marrow transplants. Thank you for watching. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information.